Wow, dude, that sounds really good. Alright, what's up YouTube? Back at you with more junk, and this time we're in the D388, going to my favorite shop, and you'll find out, and you probably already know from the title of the video. You might not be able to hear it very well, but it's very loud in here. I'm actually driving quite modestly, but I'll throw in some clips of what it did sound like, or does sound like now. Today is our last day in the loaner, the 2022 Q5, and I suspect this is Glacier White, but we're gonna go get the TDI again. She's had some work done at the dealership. I suspect it's gonna be thousands of dollars, so we'll find out. Here you go. Not a bad car. I honestly consider buying one of these if I could get over the fact that maybe an SQ5, but nah, I have other plans. This is nice, but I got other plans. Just as I suspected. Yeah, crazy. But now we're in good shape. Just mentioning I fitted these LED plate lights. They should have been from the factory. Now, onto the exhaust. Sorry about the shake. Yeah, that's what she Wow. Wow, dude, that sounds really good. So what we got going on is a 3-inch true dual custom pipe with a 3-inch X pipe, and that's it.
It sounds so much better than it used to be, and I used to be so dumb. I can't believe what I even got fitted before I thought sounded good. But this is the part where you get to tell me if you like it. Does it sound good? Is it still too raspy? Should I make it a little quieter? Personally, inside the cabin, it's very tolerable. Still a little bit of drone, so I might do something about it. But drop a comment. Let me know what you think. I figured I'd just give you guys an update video of what the inside sounds like with the exhaust done. And it sounds pretty good. I'll downshift here, go into second, let you see what it sounds like. It's a nice tone in here, honestly. Not too bad.